How to get logged in into Huntington Online Banking. Hey everyone, and welcome back. There are two ways by which you can log in to the Huntington's banking. The first one is mobile banking via the Play Store or App Store, and the next option is via the online banking. For this, open any of your browser and search for Huntington Online Banking. You will see the first link by onlinebanking.com. Just tap open it. Opening it will take you to the home page or the login page of the Huntington, from where you can give in your credentials, which includes the username and the password. And just by that, you should be able to log in. If you are new to this online banking, there is an option to enroll as well. So, from where you have to give in all your information, such as your debit and credit card, your personal information, and you should be able to log in into the online banking. Additionally, if you have forgotten the password, you can verify your identification and reset it as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.